Hello, welcome to the ceiling fan world. And what we have here is an SMC DC52. Let's zoom in so we can look closer. And I know an SMC fan, they made manufacturers in China. It has it, and I have it up as SMC bolted in this, still in the box still. I won't be able to show you the box, the fan, but the new one box I got off of eBay last week. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Start with the low speed. Oh, and this is the aesthetic low for an SMC DC52 and a 52 inch. That's the name of the model on top of the motor. Let's start with medium. Let's go for medium. Look closer by zooming in. Alright, let's go for high. And blows the amount of air on high. Let's look closer. It blows really fast on high, as you can see. Alright, let's shut it off. Let's watch the spin down, and there you have it. It's an SMC DC52 ceiling fan. Thank you for watching. If you like and subscribe to my channel, there will be lots more to come. Alright, see you later. Bye bye.